irregular periods, constant bloating, and mood swings. This can be a PCOD, and it's very common nowadays. In this video today, we are practicing few asanas which will help you in PCOD. So join me on the mat. Stand in Tadasana, feet together. Pull your kneecap up. Engage your core muscles. Roll your shoulders back. And your hands, your fingers are pointing towards the ground and are separated. Fix your gaze at one point. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now inhale and raise your arms up. Stretch your body. Exhale, bend towards the left. Inhale, center. Exhale, bend towards the right. Inhale, center. Exhale and lower your arms. For second asana, again join your feet, join your legs, feet together. Inhale, raise your arms up. With exhale, squat down. Make sure your knees are inside your toes and don't arch your spine. Fix your gaze at one point. Inhale, come up. Exhale again, squat down. Imagine you are sitting on any chair. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, and with exhale, lower your arms. Now bring your right foot little bit far, around 3 feet distance, and your left foot heel is in the center of your right foot. For this we need block. So if you don't have any block, you can use a book, a bottle which is of same height. Now place a block behind your left foot. Your torso is along the length of your mat. Inhale, both hands aligned with your shoulders. Exhale, bend towards your left and place your palm on the block. You can look up or you can look forward. Stay there. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Now slightly bend your left knee and then come up. We will practice this on the other side. So your right foot pointing towards the right side and place the block behind your right foot. Hands in line with your shoulders. Inhale. Exhale, pushing your pelvis towards the left. Place the hand on block. Fix your gaze at one point. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. Now slightly bend your right knee and then come up. Now both feet is pointing forward. For this we need 2 blocks. So place the block in front of you. Inhale, raise your arms up. Exhale, bend forward from your lower back. Stay there. Drop your head. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Look forward. Place both the hands on your waist and then slowly come up. Now for fourth asana, turn your left toes towards the left and turn your right toes towards the right. Inhale, raise your arms up. Exhale, squat down. Try to bring your lower thigh parallel to the ground, but don't arch your spine. Stay there. You can move your arms. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Stay there. Feel the stretch on your hamstring muscles, your thighs. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Slowly straighten your legs. Legs together, feet together. Sit on your asana in Baddha Konasana. Soles of feet will be touching each other. Hold your toes. Keep your spine straight. And then flap your thighs. Bring your awareness on your pelvic region, pelvic floor muscles, and enjoy this movement. Continue this for a few more seconds. Now hold it. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now place both the palms inside your knees. Don't put pressure on your knees. Place it inside your knees. Inhale. Now push your thighs towards the mat. Exhale. Bring it to the closer. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Hold it. Inhale. Go back and move your upper body in clockwise direction. Change your direction. So as you bend forward, exhale. And when you go back, inhale. Now again, hold it. Breathe in. Your left shin is parallel to the length of the mat and hold your right leg like you are holding a baby. And then move your legs left, right. Shishupal Asana or baby cradle pose. Take a natural breathe in and breathe out when you are practicing this. Change your legs. So now your right shin is parallel to the length of the mat and hold your left shin. Move left, right. Slowly release. Sit in cross-leg position. Just relax before we are moving to another asana. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Now separate your legs wide enough, as much as you can, comfortably. To separate your legs. We will be practicing Chakki Chalanasana. So interlace your fingers. Inhale, go back. With exhale, bend forward from your lower back. As much as you can bend forward. Don't round your spine. Again, when you go back, inhale, and when you bend forward, exhale. Change your direction. Just relax. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Your legs are separated wide enough. And place your fingertips in front of you. Both toes pointing towards you. Now slowly crawl forward. Slowly crawl forward. And when you reach maximum age, just place your palm and hold it. Drop your head down. Hold it. Feel the stretch on your hamstring muscles, your thighs muscle. Keep breathing. Now slowly crawl back. Breathe in, breathe out, and place the block in front of you. Again, if you don't have block, use books of the same height, same width. Inhale, raise your arms up, stretch your body. Exhale, bend forward from your lower back and place your elbows on the block. Feel the deep stretch on your hamstrings muscle, your thighs muscle. Keep breathing. Breathe in. Breathe out. If this is quite tough for you, increase the height. Place the block. Breathe in. Breathe out. This will help in opening your pelvic floor muscles and improves the blood circulation to your pelvic region. Breathe in. Slowly look forward. Place your palms and then come up. For next asana, come on your hands and knees. Your wrist directly under your shoulders and your knee directly under your hips joint. Engage your core muscle. Breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale with exhale. Raise your buttocks up. Breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale and bring your right foot outside of your right palm. Come on the edge of your right foot. Push your right knee towards the mat. Stay there. Feel the deep stretch on your right thigh. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now place your palm again. And see if you can come on your elbows. Stay there. Breathe in. Breathe out. If it's difficult for you, keep your palms on the mat. Now tuck your back leg and bring your right foot back. Now see if you can drop your elbows here. Hold it for a few seconds. You are on the edge of your left foot. Now place your palms. Inhale, exhale, bring your left foot back. Raise your buttocks up. Now drop your knees and raise your buttocks on your heels. Stretch your arms forward and drop your head. Relax. Breathe in. And relax completely. Now lie down on your mat. And raise both the legs at 90 degrees. Engage your core muscles. There should not be any gap between your lower back and the mat. You can keep micro band on your knees, or you can straight your legs. Stay there. That's quite difficult, but try to hold it for a few more seconds. Keep breathing. Now slowly lower your legs. Do not hurry. And lie down in Shavasana for a few seconds. Inhale and relax your body. Relax your mind. Practice this asanas and let me know in the comments how it helps you. Also, do not forget to subscribe me and share this video with your friends. Namaste.